Hi friends, this is the question number 4 in chapter 7. Number A is the total number of electrons in N is equal to 4. So we know that if N we have the electrons in the energy level, N will be N squared, and the maximum electrons in the total number of electrons in an atom will be 2N squared. So number A will be 4, and we have 16. 16 electrons in the energy level N is equal to 4. Please write that. Question B. The total number of electrons in N is equal to 3 and L is 2. Total number of electrons. So we begin from N. N is equal to 3 and L is 2. So with L is equal to 2, we know that L is the pathway of electrons in atom, and it stands for D block. So we review some concepts like with L is equal to 0, we talk about as orbital. L is equal to 1, we talk about p orbital, and L is equal to 2, we talk about d orbital. So with d orbital, we have 5 energy level like this one. We have 5 orientations like d z squared, d sy, d yz, and d xz, and d x squared or d e squared is the same. So with this orientation, we have 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2, 2, and we have 10. The question is the total number of electrons in this energy level, and we have 10 electrons in 3D orbital. That's an answer of number question B. We move to the C question, and it's 1, L is 0, and L is 0, M is 0. L is 0 and ML is equal to 0. So with L is equal to 0, we talk about s orbital, and ML is 0, so that means it's 3 orbital. So we talk about N is equal to 1, so that means 1s, and the maximum electrons of 1s is 2 electrons. So we have 2 electrons in 1s. That's the equation. And the equation is the total number of electrons in N is equal to 1, L is 0, M is 0, and S is positive 1/2. Oh, sorry. 100 half L ML S. In 1 we have 1. This energy level is 1. L is 0, so we have S orbital. ML is 0, so there is no orientation of S orbital. With MS is positive 1/2, so now this one just have 1 electrons orbital. So we have 1s1. If ms is negative 1/2, that means in s orbital we have 2 electrons. So it will be 1s2, but the question is ms is positive 1/2, so the answer will be 1s1. Number E, the total number of electrons in 2p orbitals. So we talk about 2p orbitals. This one. We talk about 2p orbitals. So we know that 2p has 3 energy level, and this is Px, Py, and Pz. And this one has 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. So the number is 6. The total number of orbitals in 3D. So 3D has 5 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The z square, the x, y, the y, z, the x, z, the x square, or the y square. Each orbital has 2 electrons, 2, 2, 2, 2. So the answer will be 5 orbitals. Question G. Orbital designation for n is 4, L is equal to 3. This L is 3. So 3, that means we talk about F orbital. And this is 4. So we talk about for F orbital. Again, L is 0, 1, 2, 3. And that means we talk about S orbital. This one, that means we talk about P orbital and D orbital and F orbital. The number just stands for the shape of the pathway of electrons in an atom. So the answer will be for F. The last question. Orbital extension for n is 1 and L is equal to 1. N is 1, L is 1. So 1, you see, 1 will be P. we talk about p orbital. But with n is equal to 1, we don't have p orbital. And you see, L is equal to 1, L needs to be begin from 0, and that's 1, 0, and 1 is the L. This is ML. So basically, we don't have one p orbital. Sorry. Basically, we don't have one p orbital. We just have one x or one x2, and that's it. We don't have p orbital with this kind of energy level. Oh, we have another two questions. Number I, orbital extension for n is 3, L is 1, and m is negative 2. N is 3, L is equal to 1 ml. So this is the energy level is 3, L is 1, we talk about p orbital, and ml is negative 2. So with L is equal to 1, we also have ml can be negative 1, 0, and 1. So ml here cannot be negative 2. So we don't have an orbital excitation. So this answer is no, none. Last question. Orbital excitation for n is 2, L is 1, m is negative 1, and s will be positive 1/2. This one is n is 2, L is 1, ml is negative 1, and ms is positive 1/2. So n is 2, that means we talk about the energy level is 2. L is 1, we talk about p orbital again. And ml is equal to negative 1. So we come back with the B block. -1, 0, 1, -1, 0, 1. That's the B block. So ml is equal to -1. It can be this one, and it can be this one. So with ms is positive 1/2, we know that from here to here, ms will be positive 1/2, and from here to here, it will be negative 1/2. So why? We know that electrons need to be filled into the lowest energy level. So first of all, electron here, Bx, By, and Bz. It has one electron in each orbital. and it come back with the lowest energy level here, and it filled into lowest energy and lowest energy, low and higher energy level. So again, we have px here, py here, and pz here. We have one electron in each particle, and when we have one electron in this orbital, we call ms is positive 1/2. You see, when we have another electron in this orbital, ms will be negative 1/2. So the question is ms is positive 1/2. So I guess and ml is negative 1. So we choose here. That means we talk about 2p1. So it's different from 2p1, 2, 3, 4. With 2p4 we have n is 2, l is 1, and ml is also negative 1, but it has ms is negative 1/2. Here, negative 1/2.